Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Nordic curls. First, find a sturdy anchor point for your ankles, such as a heavy piece of furniture or a supportive partner. Make sure your ankles are securely held to prevent any slipping. Next, kneel on a comfortable surface, like a yoga mat, keeping your body in a straight line from your knees to your head. This initial setup is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Now, let's talk about execution. Begin by slowly lowering your torso forward, using your hamstrings to control the descent. Imagine you are a rigid plank, maintaining a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Avoid breaking at the hips or arching your back. Go as far as you can with control, then use your hands to push yourself back up if needed. Focus on the eccentric or lowering phase. To progress with Nordic curls, begin with partial repetitions, only lowering as far as you can control. As your strength improves, gradually increase your range of motion. You can also use a resistance band looped around your chest and anchored in front of you to assist with the upward movement. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 controlled repetitions to build significant hamstring strength over time. Let's cover some common mistakes and tips. A frequent error is arching the lower back or bending at the hips, which reduces hamstring engagement. Keep your body straight like a board. Another tip is to really emphasize the slow, controlled lowering phase. This is where most of the muscle building occurs. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.